Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of astronomy with the Celestron AstroMaster 130EQ MD Newtonian Reflector Telescope, designed specifically for beginners. We found this product online and included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Celestron AstroMaster 130EQ MD is more than just a telescope, it's a gateway to exploring the vast wonders of the night sky. With its 130mm aperture, this Newtonian reflector telescope promises sharp optics, making it easier for budding astronomers to view celestial objects such as planets, star clusters, and even some deep sky phenomena. The telescope's high-quality aluminum and CO2 coatings enable it to gather ample light, ensuring that your observations are bright and clear. One of the standout features of the AstroMaster 130EQ MD is its stable equatorial mount. This design makes it incredibly user-friendly for beginners who may be unfamiliar with more complex tracking systems. The mount allows you to track celestial objects smoothly, thanks to the two slow-motion control knobs for right ascension and declination. Whether you're aiming for the rings of Saturn or seeking out the Andromeda Galaxy, centering your target becomes a breeze. Another impressive aspect of this telescope is its motor drive for automatic tracking. Once you've located a celestial object, the RA motor drive takes over, allowing you to focus on enjoying the view without having to constantly make manual adjustments. This feature is particularly beneficial for longer observations and astrophotography, as it keeps the object perfectly in view as it moves across the sky. Setting up the AstroMaster 130EQ MD is quick and straightforward. With just a few key components to assemble, you can go from unboxing to stargazing in a matter of minutes, no tools required. The sturdy, adjustable tripod ensures stable viewing and can comfortably accommodate users of all heights, whether you prefer standing or sitting while observing. Included with the telescope are two eyepieces, a 20mm eyepiece with a built-in erect image corrector and a 10mm eyepiece for higher magnification. Additionally, the package features a star pointer red dot finder scope, which simplifies the task of locating objects in the sky. To further enhance your astronomy journey, you'll receive a free download of one of the top-rated astronomy software programs, providing you with valuable information about the objects you're observing. So, who is this telescope suitable for? The AstroMaster 130EQ MD is perfect for anyone looking to get started in astronomy, whether you're an adult who's always been fascinated by the stars or a young aspiring astronomer eager to explore the universe. Its ease of use, combined with quality optics, makes it an ideal choice for families in educational settings. Practical use cases for this telescope are abundant. You can take it to local parks for a night of stargazing with friends, set it up in your backyard for some solo observations, or even use it during family camping trips to explore the night sky away from city lights. The possibilities are endless, and each night spent with the AstroMaster 130EQ MD can lead to new discoveries and a deeper appreciation for the cosmos. In summary, the Celestron AstroMaster 130EQ MD is an excellent entry-level telescope that combines user-friendly features with quality optics, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to venture into astronomy. With its automatic tracking, easy setup, and included accessories, it opens up a whole new world of exploration and learning. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.